Thank you to all the students for sharing your truth with us. How we educate students. This is $1 million question asked by most parents. Our commitment to prescribed education lies at the heart of the school. This is where our values transform into action. We don't impose boundaries on what our students can achieve, but instead encourage them to reach as far as their talents and aspirations will take them. For example, if a third grade student shows advanced abilities and can learn grade 5 math, we will deliver the grade 5 math curriculum to that student without any hesitation. Let's take a closer look at the specific academic programs available at our school. We provide a wide range of academic programs to all students of all ages. Our latest addition to the curriculum is the half-day French immersion program for elementary students. This program ensures that students learn a second language while keeping up with core subjects such as math, language arts, science, which are all taught in English. For high-achieving grade 8 students, we offer Reach Ahead credits to help them adapt and experience the rigorous workload found in high school. For high school students, we offer pre-advanced and advanced placement courses to adequately prepare them for higher education and beyond. Now, to the creation of our individual student plans. Teacher counselors, homeroom teachers, students, and their parents work together to create individualized student plans that act as a roadmap for students to achieve their academic goals. These plans empower students to take ownership of their learning and make informed decisions about their future. This is especially important for high school students to get them invested in their learning when they see a long-term goal. They include academic levels, strengths, areas of growth, extracurricular activities, competitions, as well as volunteer and leadership initiatives. One focal point for prescribed education is our 4-year high school plan. This plan guarantees students to meet all the graduation requirements to receive their Ontario Secondary School diploma, as well as satisfy the prerequisites needed for their desired undergrad program. By meeting the teacher counselors every month, the students can modify their academic plan as they develop new interests or even perhaps reevaluate their goals. The document on the screen outlines a strategic plan for one of our high school students pursuing AP courses. The plan recommends the student to take one AP course in grade 10, 2 AP courses in grade 11, and 3 AP courses in the final year. The AP courses challenge the student academically, and the AP credits give the student a competitive advantage during the university admission process. The document also includes a list of recommended clubs and competitions. Now let's shift focus to our elementary student plans. At the elementary, we emphasize skill-based learning rather than grade-based learning. This means if a student shows exceptional aptitude in specific subjects, particularly in math and language, the student is offered advanced curricula to match his or her capabilities and not hold that student back. The elementary student plan on the screen features one grade 8 student taking 2 Reach Ahead credits in geography and gym. The program not only enriches her learning experience, but also presents opportunities for her to take additional elective courses in high school or the option of graduating earlier. In addition, there are a variety of recommended clubs, academic competitions, monthly reading goals to encourage consistent reading habits and participation in our independent reading program.